Hey, good day traders, Chartman here. Today we're looking at NXOI for October 21st, 2011. This stock's got a lot of volatility in it, which makes it very exciting and very profitable to trade. So let's take a look at the chart. We've got a very obvious support level right here around 1 cent. You can see we had a low of 1.1 cents. Here we had a low of 1 cent, and again 1.11 cents is the low this time. So this is important to know because every time we do come in contact with the support level, it does seem to want to hold, and then the price just shoots up in the opposite direction. Here we went from about 1 cent to over 6 cents. Huge profits to be had here from 1 to 3.6 cents. And again, we're building a bottom here, so that's also very healthy. We should be seeing a lift coming in the next few days. So what we want to look for is a breakout past the trend line to confirm that the support has held and that the selling pressure has ended. So if we draw some nice straight trend lines here, you can see a nice one here. It touches all the high points, and when we break past the red line, the stock shoots up. Again, we've got this resistance trend here, and I guess we could almost look at a second one like this, where we sort of break both of these levels and the price shoots up. Now it's interesting to note that when the price starts to fall off really quickly, what happens is that volume starts to come in. This is that buying interest you can see over the last few days. It tells you the support's going to hold, and then the price shoots up in the opposite direction. Now if we look at what we have here, again we've got this negative trend happening here. We can connect all of our high points together. Here we see this volume spike as we hit our low point. That suggests that the support's probably going to hold. Here we've got a breakout on Friday, just broke past the resistance, up 12%. This is still very early in the run. We can also see that the STO, which we can use as our momentum indicator to sort of give us buy and sell signals, has crossed over to the upside, and that's giving us a buy signal. If you want to look back where we had other crossover points to the upside, we had one here. Perfect opportunity to get in right here at the breakout point for a nice run up to 3.6 cents. Here we got another signal. This wasn't a very large run, but it did go from the crossover basically happened here, probably a little bit late, but you're able to get a little bit of a run out of this one. And then the other crossover we had was basically right here. You can see it starts to widen and open up, and then the price shoots up quite quickly. So here we've got also lower high points seems to come up around the 200-day moving, this is the 100-day moving average, this brown line on my chart. So our first high was up here at 6.1 cents, next one's at 3.6. We could see another move around the 3 to 3.5 cent area. Now it's important to notice is that we've got this sort of a negative pressure here in terms of our high points. Sort of looks something like this. Now, this is what we'd call a descending triangle in technical analysis. So the volatility was incredibly high, and now the volatility is starting to get a little bit more narrow. So what we want to see is the possibility that the price could actually reverse into an upwards trend where if we do break above our last high point, it's going to reverse the trend into an overall upwards trend. So you won't see the price come back down and touch the 1 cent level in the future if we do get if we do break above this 100-day moving average or above this trend line that we have here. So that's something to watch for as well, where we could actually see this reverse from more of traders buying at the support and flipping up here to the point where people are going to start buying and holding for longer periods of time, and you're not going to be able to get these discounted shares at these prices again in the future. So thanks very much and happy trading. Just keep in mind I'm not an investment advisor, so don't take this as any buy or sell signal.